Hi everyone. Now me with my daughter now, the prettiest one, Depan Kamuris Firdaus. Okay, we are going to learn on how to make a poster about how to save our earth. Okay, actually we have a plan to send our drawing later on to the one of the committee, one of the event that I posted on my background. This one, like this. Okay, we're going to send it to this event, and then hopefully we can be the winner. I mean, not me, maybe my daughter, because I already old lah. Yeah.
You will not join.
Yeah, I'm not
You're
good. I'm just
old.
trying to give them an
You're
idea.
already like an artist.
Yeah.
How come you still join?
I'm trying to encourage all the kids to join our competition later on. All right. While we are waiting for the others, actually, what else that we can say? Do you have something to say?
No.
Yeah, basically, I mean, last 2 days from now, actually, we went to one of the beach area in Banten, Indonesia, and we have a lot of fun there, right?
Yeah.
And we also like doing a lot of things there, and then yeah, you can check.
Look for snails.
Yeah, you can check the video that the Vanka playing with the board, and then we are having fun in the beach area, swimming and doing something crazy. After this video, you can see the last part of this video. It will just pop up, and then you can just click it, and you will enter that video. Yay! And by the way, why that everyone are still? Where is everyone? Oh.
Hello. Anybody there?
Yeah, where is everyone? It's already 2 o'clock.
Hello.
What's happened with that? I am the participant only here, and with my daughter, the prettiest one.
Stop saying that.
And what else? Okay.
I'm not pretty, but I'm amazing.
Amazing. Yeah, I agree with that. By the way, where is the participant? This is so weird because actually we used to play, start on time, and then mostly some of the kids will be arriving.
We ran out of time. We ran out 15 minutes.
Okay.